Let's do this!
Yes! We can do this!
Have you ever felt an extreme excitement, but then it turned out to be a disappointment? Maybe you work hard, but nothing seemed to go right. You felt tired, stressed, and even ready to quit. That's what discouragement feels like. It makes us want to stop trying. But when we trust in God, He gives us strength that we need to keep going. Let's watch what happens when a small church team faces discouragement and chooses to trust God.
How can we do this kaya? Yung mga branches, they keep falling down. Tapos yung mga lettuce, di pa sila tapos.
This is not what I planned. We're running out of time. I don't want to continue this anymore.
We've been working hard. But why it's like, parang wala tayo natatapos. I knew from the start na this is too big for us. Four people cannot finish this decorations at yung mga props.
Come on, guys! Di ba may mga ginawa na nga tayo mas mahihirap na projects before? Mas mahihirap pa. Kailangan lang natin tumigil and mag-focus sa ginagawa natin, okay?
Honestly, I don't want to continue this. It seems like a failure.
Discouragement can hit even when we are doing something for the Lord. It makes the work feel heavier and the team feel smaller, but we don't have to carry it alone.
Mga ate at kuya, do you remember the resurrection cantata last year where the cross broke?
Yeah, I remember.
We stayed late and also yung mga dapat natin tapusin, nagawa natin para lang ma-cover that night.
Yeah, I remember that it was a disaster talaga. Tapos we were so tired.
Do you remember also how we start our days with devotion every day? That's why even at late night, kahit ganun oras na tayo matapos, natatapos natin yung mga kailangan natin gawin and na may energy pa rin tayo for the whole day.
Yes, I remember. Kahit na pagod na tayo nun, kahit gabi na, pumupunta pa rin tayo sa iba't ibang lugar para maka-distribute ng mga gospel tracts. Kahit na late na tayo makakain.
And how about last year? Remember last anniversary how we had to do these flowers na napakarami para lang ma-fill up yung stage?
Yeah. I remember, ang daming flowers and ang hirap niyang assemble. Pero, nagawa natin siya and para lang mapuno yung stage.
So, naaalala niyo ba kung ano yung nag-push sa atin para mag-get through tayo sa mga araw natin na yun, ang pinagdadaanan natin yun?
Actually, we stop and pray kahit pagod na tayo.
Exactly! That's why we need to ask help from God. Kasi, kung hindi tayo mag-a-ask sa Kanya, paano tayo mag-go through sa mga araw natin? Pag hindi tayo tinulungan ng Panginoon, yung mga araw natin hindi mag-turn out to be what we expected to be.
Yeah! Maybe we should do that now.
Yeah, you're right. we've been trying this on our own. So that's why it's not working. So let's stop and pray together.
Sometimes, the most powerful thing we can do is to pause and pray. When we take the time to surrender our worries and frustrations to God, He gives us peace and new perspective. The team remembered they weren't alone. They remembered who they were doing this for, and that changed everything. Prayer doesn't always fix the situation right away, but it brings peace. It reminds us we're not doing this alone. God gives strength to those who ask Him for help.
Amen.
Okay.
I will clean pa muna so we can move around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang lahat din natin. Mag-arrange mo na po tayo. So, organize yung ating place para makatapos tayo ginagawa natin. O, sige ako, tatapusin ko na tong flowers, ha?
Good afternoon, Decor team.
Good afternoon!
Wow, this place looks alive again. Earlier, it looks like everyone was about to give up.
Yes, we were, but we stopped and we prayed. Actually, we tried our best, but the thing is, we tried in our own without God.
We're doing this for God.
That's right. It's always about God. When we're weak, He gives us strength. You're not just building props, but you're building something for Him. Keep going and remember, this is for Him.
Yeah.
How can I bear the sins of all? Father, will you intercede? What will you have me do with this Jesus, who is called the Christ? Crucify him!
Discouragement tries to stop us, but when we trust in God, He gives us new strength and peace to keep going. We don't have to be strong on our own. God is the source of our strength. So when you feel tired or ready to give up, just rest and pray. Trust God and keep going. Remember, He is always with you.